Good day. Based on the activity that we did last August 14, I observed in exercise 1 that to have a high output of this at the same time, the delay between the command line of the high output
That's it.
Therefore, the pin mode output and the pin configuration in the controller should be synchronous to have a correct output. If you want to have a multiple output at the same time, the time delay should be as 1. Hello. And now, in exercise 2, I observed that the delay command is the most important things in making a traffic light. Timing is everything to have a good traffic light. And the proper designation for the pin used in each output for the 3 colors should be observed. Therefore, the delay command is important to make a traffic light. It should have a correct timing so the lights will not overlap with each other to prevent accident in real life.